Ganda ng mga
dagat na yun. Saan maligo yun? Bababa na. Namili ko na yung aeroplano. Namili ko na kami sa papuntahan Dipolo. Bababa na kami. Bababa na po kami. Ayun na po. Ayun na po. Nakarating na po kami. Ayun na po mga bahay.
Ito na ba?
Oo, ayun na. Ayun na po. Maganda flash na yung aeroplano namin. 5J 705 ng Cebu Pacific. Ito na po kami. Bababa na po kami. Dipolo, welcome. Welcome Dipolo. Ayan na po. One 26 na po ng hapon.
Ayan pala pagbaba dito. Wala pa palang tono.
Ayun na naman po, nanginginig naman po pagbaba.
Akala, pinukan na.
Yung pakpak ng aeroplano. Ayan na. Nanginginig na. Ayan na po yung aeroplano, na-flash na. Bababa na po kami. Binababa na yung gulong.
Ayun na nga pagtok mga bahay.
Shoutout po kay kay Jema Alcaparaz. Shoutout po. Shoutout po kay kay Analin Bonjay.
Clear the landing stations.
Kay Danilo. Ali po nga. Shoutout po kaya Annalyn po dyan Danilo, ali po nga. Bababa na. Welcome to Dipolo.
Dagat pa ito.
Ayan na, Dipolo. Welcome Dipolo. Ayan na, bababa na. Gutom na si Jemal Caparas. Oo.
Dito lang pala tingnan sa dagat. Malapit ang lantingan sa dagat, no?
Oo.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to
Hello
Dipolo
everyone,
Airport.
to sa Dipolo Airport.
Please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt
Welcome to
sign.
Dipolo Airport.
Once again, please remain seated and please close the overhead bins. Do not open the overhead bins, please remain seated. Once again, please remain seated and wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you stand to get your bags. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Danaram and Captain Mendoza, together with your cabin
Captain
crew,
Mendoza.
we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Also, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Thank you. And for guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, please leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket, and please be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense.
nakabang dyan.
Bakit?
Lagi nakabang ang bumbero dyan. Ayun na, bumbero. Makikita yung bumbero. Yan.
Cabin crew, the standards for arrival in question.
Your cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Passengers, please remain seated.
Ayun ganyan sa Diyos, oh. May nagawa na Diyos. Sisinyas.
For your safety, please wait for the fasten seatbelt signs to be switched off before you stand to get your bags. Thank you.